Hi, I want to tell you about biofeedback and muscle testing. Biofeedback and muscle testing is an essential part of our metaphysical life coaching training. It is also a uniqueness at Ajna. What we mean by biofeedback is that we are getting more information from the body, from our body. And we do this by testing the memory we already have stored in the muscles. Why do we do biofeedback? Because only when we get feedback, which is another perspective or more and different information, do we learn and grow. In this way, it's not someone else telling us what we want and need, but we are using the information we already have programmed in the body. So we are the authority of our own wellness, our own balance, our own emotional and physical health. What could be the benefits? The benefits are that it is the truth, the only truth, your truth. It's the body's way of telling you and talking to you. Anything else is your belief, not your experience. It is the only experiential way to know what you really need and want. It's fascinating. Come learn with us. Come and learn and experience the magic we make.